Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from PTSD with the mighty full guide step by step clearly. Understanding PTSD and its effects on your life is crucial for recovery. The first step is to educate yourself about PTSD. Knowledge empowers you to recognize symptoms and triggers. Consider seeking professional help from a therapist specializing in trauma. Therapists can provide support and effective coping strategies. Establish a routine to bring structure to your daily life. Regular activities can provide a sense of normalcy. Incorporate self-care into your routine. Prioritize sleep, healthy eating, and physical activity. Mindfulness and meditation can help ground you in the present. Practicing deep breathing exercises can reduce anxiety. Connect with support groups to share experiences. Talking to others who understand can be incredibly healing. Keep a journal to express your thoughts and feelings. Writing can help you process your emotions. Develop a strong support network. Reach out to friends and family who are understanding and patient. Try to engage in activities that you enjoy and find fulfilling. Creative outlets, such as art or music, can promote healing. Be patient with yourself throughout the recovery process. Understand that healing takes time and ups and downs are normal. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate small achievements. Consider exploring alternative therapies like yoga or acupuncture. These can complement traditional treatments and provide additional relief. As you progress, continue to assess your mental health and coping strategies. Stay open to adjusting your recovery plan as needed. Utilizing resources from the mighty can offer additional support and community. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.